Hello children, welcome back to our English class. I hope so. Everyone are good and safe. In today's video, we are going to learn about the real wealth poem. So, term 2, unit 1, poem the real wealth. Shall we move on? Yes. At the end of the class, you will be able to infer the mood of the poet, spell the English words correctly, recognize the beauty of the rhyme, imaginary words, and thoughts found in the poem, discuss the theme of the poem. So, now we are going to learn about the poem Real Wealth. Parents bring us to the soil and will never let us get spoiled. They earn our daily bread and wish to see us shoot ahead. So I want everyone to read this poem along with me. Yes, will you all do this? Okay. Shall we read it once again? Okay. Parents bring us to the soil and will never let us get spoiled. They earn our daily bread and wish to see us shoot ahead. So, here, what they are telling us is yes, who are the ones bringing us to this world? Yes, our parents are the ones who is bringing us to this world and will never let us get spoiled. Here, which means even if we do any mistake, who are the first person to correct our mistake? Yes, our parents are the first person to correct our mistakes. They earn our daily bread. So, if we are living a happy life, if we are living a yes, if you are living a yes wonderful life and all your needs are satisfied by your parents, so our parents are earning only for us and wish to see us shoot ahead. So if we move upward in our life, who are the yes, who are the happiest person in this world? Our parents are the happiest person in this world. So our parents are the ones who is bringing us to this world and they will never allow us to get spoiled. Even if we do any mistake, they are the ones who correct us first. Then they earn our daily bread, which means if our all our wants are satisfied only by our parents and they do everything only for us, they earn only for us and wish to see us shoot ahead. So, which means even if we move upward in our life, our parents are the one who will be happy to see this. Next, brother always fights for his share, but if someone hurts us, he can't bear. Sister's words you never dare, she is next to parents in care. So here what they are telling us, ma. Okay, so in all of our home we will be having a brother, isn't it, children? Yes. So even for small things we will be fighting with a brother, isn't it? Yes. So we will be fighting for the same dress, the same food. So all this we will be fighting with the brother. But if someone hurts, he can't bear. So if someone hurts us, our brother can't bear the pain. So he will be feeling bad for us. Sister's words you never dare. She is next to parents in care. So after our parents, who will be carrying us? Our sister will be carrying us. Yes, so we will be fighting with our brother. But if someone hurts us, yes, our brother will be feeling bad for us. Next, who will be taking care like our parents? Our sister will be taking care like our parents. So our sister is next to our parents in care. In our last slide, we saw about yes, brother and sister relationship. Next, we are going to learn about relationship between friends. A good friend is with you in all needs and stays last for all your needs. Relationships are their real wealth. Nurture them like your health. Show care and affection with all your zest. It will take care of the rest. So I repeat, a good friend is with you in all deeds and stays last for all your needs. Relationships are the real wealth. Nurture them like your health. Show care and affection with all your zest. It will take care of the rest. So here what they are telling us about is they're telling us about the importance of friends. Yes, a good friend is with you in all your needs. Okay, so always our friends will be with us in any kind of situation. So even we will be having fear to share some things with our parents, but we will not have fear to share anything to our friends. So we will be sharing everything with them freely. Yes. So friends are very important in our life. Relationships are the real wealth. So which one is the real wealth, ma? Do you think gold, land, diamond, all these are real wealth? No. Only the relationships are the real wealth. Nurture them like your health. So how we will take care of our health? Yes, we used to take care of our health very well, isn't it? Yes, so like that, we used to take care of our relationships too. Show care and affection with all your zest. So, we should take care of our family and friends with happiness and energy. Zest means happiness or energy. So, we should take care of our family and friends with all our happiness and energy. Then it will take care of the rest. So, if we be friendly with others and take care of others, yes, the other things will happen automatically. Yes. So, shall we read the poem once again, ma? Yes. The real wealth. Parent bring us to this soil and will never let us get spoiled. They earn our daily bread and wish to see us shoot ahead. Brother always fights for a share, but if someone hurts us, he can't bear. Sister's words, you never dare. She is next to parents in care. A good friend is with you in all deeds and stays last for all your needs. Relationships are the real wealth. Nurture them like your health. Show care and affection with all your zest. It will take care of the rest. So, we are done with the poem. Shall we move on to the book back exercises? Yes? So, first we will see the glossary. Spoil. The word spoil means destroy the value or quality. So, destroy the value or quality. Next, bear, to withstand. Bear means what, ma? To withstand. Deeds and action performed intentionally. Deeds mean an action performed intentionally. So, if we are doing something with the whole concentration and intention, it is known as deed. Zest, happiness or energy. So, as I told before, zest means happiness or energy. Nurture, care and protect. What does the word nature means? Care for and protect. So, we used to take care of our family and friends. Now, we will be saying fill in the blanks. Parents never let us get dash. So the correct answer is spoil. So our parents never let us to do any mistake. Yes. Parents help us to overcome our difficulties. So who are the ones help us to overcome our difficulties? Our parents. Dash is next to parents in care. Yes. Who are the next mark? Which relationship is next to parents' care? Yes, our sisters' relationship is next to parents and care. Dash are the real wealth. Do you think gold, land, or diamond, all these are real wealth? No, the real wealth is relationship, relatives. Relatives are the real wealth. Dash always stays to the last in our needs. Yes, I repeat, dash always stays to the last in our needs. Yes. So after our parents, our siblings, who's the last one? Our friends are the last relationship to stand in our needs. Next, we will be seeing answer the following. Yes. Who brought us to this world? Our parents brought us to this world, which is as important as our health. Our relationship is as important as our health. So, our parents brought us to this world, and relationship is as important as our health. Next, how does a friend support us? A good friend helps us in all our deeds and needs. So, how does a friend support us? A good friend helps us in all our deeds and needs. Why relationships are more important than wealth? Relationships are more important than wealth because it takes care of us. I repeat, relationships are more important than wealth because it takes care of us. Is who's taking care of us? Our relationship is taking care of us. The last is match the rhyming words. So here they are given the answers. We just need to match it. See, share, bear, bread, ahead, care, dare, deeds, needs, zest, rest. So here the answers are share, bear, bread, ahead, care, dare, deeds, needs, zest, rest. So the answers are 3, 5, 4, 2, and 1. So now you should be able to infer the mood of the poet, spell the English words correctly, recognize the beauty of the rhyme, imaginary words and thoughts found in the poem, discuss the theme of the poem. So, in this poem, I think so it will be very interesting for you, and it has taught us about the importance of our parents, importance of relationship, and importance of our friends. Yes, so it will be very useful for our life, and I hope so everyone will give importance for our relationship, and the real wealth is our family and friends. Thank you, children, for listening. Have a great day.